Trying to take your site offline, but Cloudflare keeps it running? Here is exactly how to pause it in 30 seconds. No deleting your domain, no messing with DNS records. Just a clean pause that stops Cloudflare from proxying your traffic, so you can do maintenance, switch hosts, or whatever you need. We are going to log into Cloudflare, find your domain, and hit pause. Just follow these simple clicks and you will be done in under a minute. All right, first things first, go ahead and open your Cloudflare account. Just head over to cloudflare.com and sign in. This is where everything lives, so make sure you are on the main dashboard screen. Now, look at the left side panel. You will see a menu with a few different options. Click on the one that says Domains. That will open up your domain management area. And here is the really important part. Once you are on that domains page, you want to click on Overview. That is the tab right at the top. It gives you the full list of every domain you have registered or added to Cloudflare. And there you go. Right now, you can see all your domains. This is your central hub. Every website you manage through Cloudflare will show up here in a nice, clean list. Take a second to scan through and find the one you want to work with. Okay, choose the domain you want to pause. Maybe it is a staging site, maybe you are moving hosts, maybe you just need to shut things down for a bit. Whatever the reason, click on that specific domain to select it. Now, pay attention to this one. On the right side of that domain row, you will see 3 little dots, a small icon with 3 vertical dots. Click on those 3 dots. That opens up a drop-down menu with a few actions you can take. One of those options is Pause Cloudflare. Click on that. This is the key step. It tells Cloudflare, hey, stop handling my traffic for this domain. No more proxy, no more protection, nothing. The traffic will go straight to your origin server. A confirmation box will pop up asking if you are sure. It just wants to make sure you did not click by accident. Hit that pause button to confirm. And just like that, it is done. Cloudflare is now paused for that domain. Your site will still be accessible through your host, but Cloudflare is completely out of the way. And that is really all there is to it. From confused about how to disable Cloudflare to confidently pausing it in under a minute. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next one.